Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something truly next gen, which is GitHub Spark. It's a browser-based tool that lets you build and share micro apps using natural language. No coding, no development stress, just your ideas. Ship it. Dream it, feel it, ship it. Right? That's how it's gonna work it out. And in high level, so GitHub Sparks works with the help of power of LLM, and it's used as Claude Sonnet 4, which is kind of like the geeky LLM, which coding generation. I love it because it has advanced coding capabilities, and it's turned the plain English prompts into full stack code. Yes, full stack code. That's right. We are fed up with prototype building AI generated apps, and that's good in terms of like creating your UI prototypes. But the real challenge is like to create backend and data and the logic. That's where the GitHub Sparks comes in it. That sounds magical, right? Yeah, it sounds magical to me, right? I face a lot of issues with building those prototype and it doesn't have the data in it. When I'm starting putting the data, those prototype doesn't work it out and I can't ship it them. And shipping even it's a bigger challenge for me. So now GitHub understand those challenges with the code generation one, and it's not just a prototype, it's build real-time micro apps, and then you can start shipping it straight away and design and stop bothering about how do you ship it. It's gonna ship it in a couple of clicks. So let you guys create, play with, and deploy it the micro app to your productions in real time. And if you look at that, it's not fully rolled out for all the users, but it's been available to the few of the Copilot subscribers, and I might get so soon in a couple of days I might get it. But let's me go through the key features of it. It has natural language programming, so you can describe your apps, and Spark started building it, and you can build with the help of like LLM access, which is like use Meta, OpenAI, DeepSeek. So you don't need to worry about like how to bring the AI capabilities within your app, and it's managed the storage and theming that instantly with the UI functionality, and it has that enable dashboard that you can manage, uh, iterate the apps easily, and one-click deployment with the CI/CD. Yes, you hear me right. So we know the challenges of pushing the codes to the development to prod, but here it's gonna do it into one-click deployment, and it has been code space integration. That means like you build your app and push it into the production and start modifying it or start upgrading your app to your needs, and it has automatic repo creation with depend bot. Seriously, it's automation and read and write sharing. You can collaborate with your friends and start doing it your code changes, assign them, and no hassle in setting up. It's plain simple. And just imagine how your idea is turned into the development in one single motion. No config, no YML, just dream it, see it, and ship it. And meanwhile, I don't have access yet. I can already imagine the kind of like dashboard and AI works, which gonna do it right. So I hope you guys start using GitHub Spark and give me the feedback and what you're gonna build with me. And please stay tuned with me. I will gonna bring more AI content, and that's help to build the future together. And thanks for watching it. Thank you so much.